It's so easy to wash and reuse our transfers. All you have to do is run them under water and wipe off the ink. It comes off that easily. You want to run under water both the adhesive side and the non-adhesive side. Once it's clean, you can lay it to dry. You can also use your fingers to rub off the ink. I like to use our board erasers because they do a really good job of getting the ink off. And I can use my board eraser over and over again to clean them. You can also use them to wipe off any debris on the adhesive side of the transfer. Just rinse off the board eraser and it's ready to go for next time. You're going to want to rinse the adhesive side first to prevent the transfer from sticking to itself or to other transfers. As you can see, some of the darker colors might leave a subtle stain, but that does not take away from their cleanliness and the ability to reuse them. If you don't have a deep sink like this one here, you can use a water bath or even a cookie sheet with water in it to soak them. Most of our transfers are able to be used between 8 and 12 times, as long as you take good care of them by cleaning and rinsing and drying them. You can hang them or lay them flat to dry. Once the transfers are dry, you'll be able to stick them back to the backing that you removed them from. And they're good to go for next time. Once all of them are dry and put back on their backings, you have the whole set that's ready to go for another project.